So we made it to the... Oh my god, and Shitty made it. Shitty made it.
How are you? How you doing, baby? You look great. You look great.
Hey guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you along a work day in my life. We have a shoot for my clothing brand Steele, so let's go. So we're shooting for our spring drops and we're shooting on the beach. So I need to do some self-tan. I'm gonna show you what I do, how I use it. So I'm using the Coco and Eve Sunny Honey Bali Bronzing Foam. And this is in the color dark. I just like to be like super tan when I'm shooting content. So I'm gonna use this and use the glove that comes with it. So I'm just gonna do 2 pumps first. And then we'll start on my arm. Oh, and what's really great about this one too, it smells good actually. Self-tan smell is so horrible normally. So the fact that this one smells good is really great. The scent is Balinese mango. Also just wanna thank Coco and Eve for sponsoring this video. I was very excited for this because I love self-tanner, so I've been waiting for this moment. This specific tan, like it's not sticky, it's not streaky. I've used a lot of self-tanner that just looks blotchy and weird, but as you can tell, it just goes on so easily. So it's cruelty-free. We love that. We love the animals. And it's vegan too. Also love that. Also, if you guys see on my leg, I dropped my curling iron on myself. So if anyone has any tips how to heal this the best way, let me know. So as you can tell already, like just the glow that it gives me, but it's gonna develop in like 2 hours. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of this and I'll show you how it looks when I'm all done. So I did my whole body. As you can tell, like the difference between my face and my body already, like it looks so good. But they also have this brush that I'll just go over parts that kind of get blotchy no matter what, just so it's blended nicer, so like the creases around like your knee and your ankles, just to blend it a lot better. And like around here, it's very rare to find a self-tanner that goes on this easy. Like it looks so great. Like, oh my god. For my face, they have these drops. These are the bronzing face drops. And you saw in my last makeup tutorial that I love these. So this is their brand, which I'm excited about. Yeah, and it's great to have this little pen dropper situation because you can just really decide how dark or how bronzed your face is gonna get. So there's 5 types of hyaluronic acid in this, which is amazing. I love my juicy, plump skin before makeup, so this is perfect for it. There's also no harsh chemicals or anything. It's very natural, and the ingredients are super clean, which I love to know about this. That's good that this is really natural. I need to do my makeup, but I don't want to rush into it yet because I just put this all on, so I'm gonna work on my hair first. So we're shooting on the beach, and my hair looks kind of like tousled already. It just air dried. So I'm just gonna go with it, like pretty natural. I'll just add maybe some waves to give it more structure. So first, I'm gonna do the Way volume spray, and then I'm gonna use the Jisoo texturizing wave spray. So my hair is a little bit wet still in some parts, so I'm gonna take my blow dryer with the diffuser attachment, just so it doesn't make my hair like frizzy or straight. I want to keep the waves. Oh my god, I forgot heat protectant. We're gonna put it in now. This is from Orbe. Just my go-to. Okay, for the waves, I'm gonna use this curling iron. This is from how-tos. I don't know why, I was just like, I really want to get this kind of curling iron. I thought that it would be like easier or better, but no, it's just actually harder to use. But you know, I'm getting the hang of it slowly. And you can go in different directions too to make it look like more natural and messy. So I think I'll just bring this curling iron with me to the hotel, and I'll just touch it up like before I go out there to shoot. Just like final touches of my whole look. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of leave it at that for now, and then we'll adjust before I go out. I'm gonna throw some hairspray in, and then some of this dry texture spray. Cool, nice and beachy. So I laid out already some pieces that I wanted to use to style with. I don't have like the full collection on me, and our team's gonna bring it there. So I can't really like style it too much right now because I don't have the pieces, but I just from my head thought what I might need. And then I'm gonna have Christine pack this up, and I'm gonna do my makeup. I guess the real styling is gonna happen when we get to the hotel. So this is like what I always bring. It's amazing. I'm so happy that Lispex sent this to me. And it just holds a bunch of sunglasses, which I love to accessorize with. So I just always bring this with me, and then I bring some like jewelry holders, kind of like this. It's just all together, and I just kind of bring everything so I can decide what I want to use when I get there. It's just how I do it now. All right, heading out. Do my mask. Hey guys, so we're on our way. Christine, you're in it. Oh. Yeah, so basically I do this pretty often when I have like content I need to shoot for like my own page or whatever. I will get like a hotel room somewhere, like in town, and just like have a new spot to shoot at and get everything like out of the way and done and accomplished. So that's what we're doing, but like it's all structured for Steele, and some people from the team are gonna meet us there and help shoot. So I actually did not blend this in. Yeah, see you there. So we made it to the oh my god, and Shitty made it. I made it.
How are you? How you doing, baby? You look great. You look great. Christine, how you doing, baby girl?
How are you?
Good. You know I have to come beach fine too. Okay. We're gonna be good. Enjoy, eat your food, then we gonna kill it.
Yeah.
That was Chitty.
Perfect.
The best ever.
So I'm starving. Think we might go for a drink.
Oh no, 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 no.
Good. Okay, so this is my second outfit. Things are moving pretty fast, which is great. We're getting content pretty easy. Yeah, I really mixed two different collections, and this is not Steele, but I thought that it just really sold it, and got my Europe. got in trouble for filming, and we're actually still doing it, but now we have to figure out where we're gonna go to shoot these looks, because we put aside the looks that we're gonna shoot on the beach, which obviously we can film on, but we have like 2 more that we have to figure out like where we're gonna shoot them.
Okay. I got it. Bye, guys. Oh, you got the camera on, my hat not even on. People gonna think I'm basic. You can't be doing this stuff.
So we are on second to last outfit, kind of. It's like just this one drop. We're gonna go down to the beach finally and hopefully get some good sun before it goes down. Okay, so we just basically wrapped. We have like one more look that we're just gonna do really quick in the hotel room, but we're on the pier. This last one was like even better than all the others. So I'm really happy, and I'm gonna see if I can get like a fun little snack here before we go back.
You guys are amazing! Amanda, you're a superstar! She about to take over the world. Keep watching her. Keep watching.
So that was our shoot day, how I got ready for it, how we shot it. Thanks for coming along. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what other videos you want to see from me next. Make sure to shop the spring collection from Steele, and thanks for watching. Bye.